Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. In this video you will see traditional pickle recipes. Small pickled peppers will be made at first. Small peppers are freshly picked from the garden. About 1 kilogram pepper will be prepared, and pickles will be made. One small glass of grape vinegar and cold water. Rock salt and lemon salt required. 4 pieces or more of garlic. Use a little sugar to accelerate pickle formation time. Chop off the stalks of the peppers with your hand, and press to make the peppers crack. You can also do this without tearing or pressing the pepper stems. If you have time, it's good to do it this way. Add the peppers to the strainer and wash. Do not soak in water, pepper will be bitter. Add garlic and peppers into glass jar. Add ½ cup salt. Add 1 small glass of grape vinegar. Add some lemon salt. Fill the rest of the jar with cold water. Cover and wait at least 10 days. Pickles are ready for service after 10 days. Be careful when opening the cover, there is a possibility of explosion in case of acidification. Ventilate the glass jar lid with a knife. If the cover does not open, you can hit the edges slightly. Pickled peppers can be served alongside any dish. I would recommend it especially for lovers of nice pickles, bitter and sour. Gherkin pickled cucumbers. Prepare salty cold water into a large container. Add cucumbers into water, wash and cut the ends. These cucumbers are produced specially for pickles. Prickly cucumber. Add the cut cucumbers into the brine. Soak the cucumbers in brine for 1 night. A day later, fill the cucumbers into the pickle cup. 5 kilogram pickle container used. Add 3 spoons of rock salt. Add 5 grape vinegar. Fill the empty part with water. Wait 10 days as closed, then you can service. You can make Russian salad with pickles or consume next to dishes. Prepared this way for the winter months, a delicious sour and crispy pickle. Small pickled tomatoes and pickled peppers. Add garlic to the bottom of pickle container. Add tomatoes and peppers. Pickles will be better if you use non-red green tomatoes. Add 3 spoons of rock salt. Add some granulated sugar. Add a little more than half grape vinegar. Grape vinegar will be this amount. Fill it with cold water. It is not obligatory, but it is a fragrant special herb, named Harhana grass cherry grass. A local natural herb used for pickles, and a fragrant herb. Close the cover, wait 10 days. After 10 days, tomatoes are ready to pickle pepper. It's a natural antibiotic, a panacea. White pickled cabbage. To make pickles you should get white cabbage with tight layers. Rock salt. Cold water. Grape vinaigrette. Some granulated sugar. Chop the white cabbage. Add the chopped white cabbage into the water-filled container. Wash and separate white cabbage. Pressing white cabbage and add to glass jar. Some granulated sugar. Add rock salt. Grape vinaigrette. Add cold water. Add mixed water and vinegar and close. sauerkraut will be ready in 10 days. Without waiting 10 days, let's look at the pickles made before. It is possible to prepare pickled vegetables in this way. Pickles can be prepared with many different vegetables. Pickles are prepared with vegetables such as cauliflower, green beans, okra, eggplant, purple cabbage. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Please share videos with your friends. See you in a new video. Goodbye.